The legendary 2021 Ford Bronco officially made its global debut after a 25-year hiatus.
How about that? Joining us to tell us more and give us a first look at the car is auto expert Mike Caudill. Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me on.
All right, Mike, it's been a long time since we talked about the Bronco. I assume a lot's changed with this beauty.
Well, think about it, guys. They launched this thing last night at 8 o'clock, and already this morning they are 100% sold out on the first edition model. That means millions of people went to the website, and you're right. It's been 25 years since the Ford Bronco has been in production, and they decided to launch it now. And why? So right now, SUVs and trucks are the hottest thing in the marketplace, but this Bronco is something that's exciting. So it's all about being purpose-built. It's built for the off-road, and they'll have three, not one, but three different Broncos for people to choose from. So this one over my shoulder right here, this is the two-door Bronco. And then you've got this right here, which is, it's called the Broncos Sport. So this is a smaller four-door version. But then over my shoulder, and you'll see this in the video, it's the four-door Bronco, and this is a beautiful vehicle. Here's what makes it really unique is that all of the pieces on it are aluminum, so they're incredibly lightweight. You'll be able to take the roof off, you'll be able to take the doors off, and then on the interior of the Bronco, they went the extra mile. They're giving you all kinds of great trim levels and features on the inside. One of my favorite features on the inside is this cool dashboard mounted rack that goes across the front. So if you're an off-roader, you can put your GoPro up there and capture all this great material. And then on top of that, you have some really cool technology from the standpoint of cameras. There's a 360-degree camera on the Bronco that allows you to check out where you're going when you're out off-roading. So some really cool features on the exterior, some really cool features on the interior. And then listen to this, under the hood, Ford's still thinking about the environment. Instead of going with a massive V8, they're going with a 2.7-liter EcoBoost motor, putting out 310 horsepower. So it's going to be an incredibly capable motor because it has turbocharging technology, but it's also going to save you when you think about your miles per gallon as well. Pricing. We're starting under $30,000 for the Bronco Sport and the Bronco two-door in the base model. And then if you want to go all the way up to a fully loaded four-door, you're going to be looking right around $60,000. So Ford Motor Company is giving you all these opportunities. But as an enthusiast myself, I've got to tell you both, what they're doing at Ford Motor Company right now is really exciting. On the business side, I would expect to see their stock soar through the roof with this vehicle hitting the market.
Wow.
And Mike, is there a certain group of people that they're trying to target, or is it really a wide open for anyone?
So that's a great question. And the answer is it's wide open for anyone. So I am an off-roading enthusiast. This two-door off-roader with 35-inch wheels and tires is such a great fit for me. But if you're a city dweller and you want to be able to go off-road, all three will be four-wheel drive. And then this one right here, it's a little bit more refined on the comfort side for being out on the freeway and going longer distances. So you can do all of these great things, but Ford thought about the fact that they want to reach more audiences with all three of these vehicles.
Very
Good
cool
stuff. Thank you so much
Mike,
for your
good to see
time
you.
this morning.
And by the way, wherever he is, looks like a beautiful
I know,
morning.
right? I'm kind of jealous.
Yeah, for sure. It is.